In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade XAUUSD on AvaTrade. So if you actually want to trade XAUUSD or gold, you can go ahead and go to the trade tab here inside your account, and then you want to go down at the categories, and then you want to go into commodities, and then here it says metals, and then one of them here is going to be gold, as you can see. So gold is basically XAUUSD, or you could just go to search symbol here to actually quickly find it, type in XAUUSD, and it's going to pop up gold, or just type in gold, of course, and it's going to show you gold. Click on that, it's going to pop up on your screen over here, and then you can go ahead and take action by clicking buy or sell. It's going to open up this order entry, and you can also see different instrument details here on the right. And whenever you're ready to actually trade it, select if you want to buy or sell, and then you can basically select the amount or lots over here. You'll be able to see a bunch of different things here, set more options if you want to use Ava Protect, if you want to execute when price hits, which is basically a limit order, if you want to take profit or stop loss as well. And whenever you all set all these things up here, you can then just click on the buy button or the sell button, of course, and that's how you actually trade XAU, USD, or gold on AvaTrade. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.